So friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make clothes in Roblox. So first of all, you have to you have to search for roblox.com in any browser, and it will take you to the home page where you have to log in with your username and password. Once you reach here, if you want to create a clothes, you just need to tap on Create tab. Now, once you reach here, if you want to create a clothes, you just need to click on this avatar item. And in avatar item, if you want to create t-shirt, shirts, pant, you just need to upload your assets, asset like the image. So if you want to upload, if you want to create a t-shirt, it is very straightforward. You just need to upload the image. But if you want to create a shirt, you have to upload an image in a template format. So you can download the template of the shirts and the pant. And so I'm going to show you how to create a t-shirt first. So you have to download, or you can create any image that you want on your t-shirt. So I'm going to download uh, PNG print for t-shirts. So I'm going to use one of the prints I would love to be on my t-shirt, or I can use program. I can use programming things. I can use PNG, programming PNG, and that's better. So I'm going to use this image. So you have to save it on your device. Now, what you need to do, you have to go back to your dashboard. Now you have to upload image and choose the asset type, upload the image. The maximum size is 20 MB. Make sure your image should be less than in size. And now open this image and now enter the or programmer. Now you have to enter the demo or description. So it's for them only, and you just need to upload this image. And so now your t-shirt has been created. You can see that. So if you want to guys set it up for the sale, you want to configure, then you have to uh, uh, tap on the or click on this on sale and just click on this save changes, and your item will be saved for the or set up for the sale. You just need to add this item in place to please donate, and you will be able to save your t-shirt in please donate if you have a 10 Robux. So you need at least 10 Robux to upload this or you want to if you want to set it up for the sale, you need at least 10 Robux. So if you have a 10 Robux, just spend on it and just create the t-shirt, and you can list the t-shirt in a place donate. If you like it, thanks for watching.